Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. So if you want to see how I did this diaper mask DIY, stay tuned. The reason why I did this is because everybody's struggling to find a mask and this and that, so on and so forth. So I Google, again, you can Google anything and find anything that you want. So I came up with this. So it's just like our pads that we use for a period. It's safely for under there, so why not a baby diaper? And you know, what about the liners, the pads? So you can do so many creative things with anything that you have. So today we are going to be doing this diaper mask, and when I say it smells so good, I never smelled a diaper before, but this made me smell the diaper. It smells so good, you know, of course a baby diaper. So this is what the diaper looks like, and when I said it's snug, it keeps me yes, it did. So, and these ties are very, very comfortable. So some people are complaining that it doesn't stay, so I'm not sure what kind of ties are you using, but I don't recommend these kind of ties. This elastic 36 ties, it comes like this, but if you get this, these are very, very comfortable to put around the ears, so you won't find any problem with it. So on, because when you put them on, it just snug, it doesn't move anywhere, but those, they will definitely move. Okay, so when you put them on like this and then adjust the nose part like this as much as possible. If you want to pull the bottom to have more security, it's up to you. So put them on and it doesn't fall off at all. Okay, and when I say you snug and you safe with this, you are safe. Okay, so today's tutorial, this is what we are going to be doing. It's very, very simple and it's cost effective. $4. Y'all know I like to do dollar things a lot, but you know, but for today, yeah, why not do a dollar thing and get your mask and go in the store and get what you need and come back in the house. If you don't have to go nowhere, stay in the house. Okay, so we can finish this terrible virus that's going on. So let me show you what you will need. Okay, so you will need diapers. I got this from the Dollar Tree. Yes, from the Dollar Tree. Or if you already have you know, diaper at home, you can use it, but you don't want it too extremely big. So this is size 3 and it's only 5 counts in here. So I have 3 in here and we are going to be using this one. Like I said, it's only $1 and you can use any other diaper you have. And then safety pins. I always work with pins, y'all. Very, very simple. And then elastic band. Okay, so this elastic bands are very, very comfortable, but these are very, very tight. They're still tight. They will work, but it would take a long time for them to adjust. But I won't recommend that. I will recommend definitely this. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is take your diaper, open your diaper up, make sure you know all the ends are tucked in. So you're gonna need 2 of these. Okay, 2 of these. So you're gonna tuck and then take this and then roll it in like that and then start to pin. Okay, so you're gonna start to pin. You're gonna use your safety pins. So you're gonna need 4 pins. You're not gonna pin in the middle. You're only gonna pin to the sides. Okay, so that the diaper, you know, the edges of the diaper won't come off, basically. You know what I mean? So that's what you're gonna do. So you're just gonna pin like right there. Okay, just right there. That's all you need. Just 2 on that side and then 2 on the other side. That's all you need. Just 4, just to keep you So I did this one like that and it stayed, so it's not coming out. So now I'm gonna do this one again. You're gonna take that, roll this one, and then roll it back up again. So you don't need a filter for this or whatsoever, because they already have its own protection inside. So imagine for a baby protection, so you are all covered. So this is the mask that we made. If you want to do it tighter, you can by rolling it in and all of that and so on and so forth. But this is fine for me right now. Like I said, I have one here that I made. So this is the one we just made. So let me show you again, because some people will have problem with, you say, oh, you didn't put them on, or we don't know how. All right, so this the one we just made. See, when I say this smells so good, yo, it smells good. Okay, and it's snug. So like I said, this, you can put this up if you want or roll it back in, like, you know, it doesn't really matter. Okay, there's it. Go to the store and come back, and that's it. Diapers is not something you can save though. That's the only thing. You know, it's not something you can save. But since your mouth is the only one that's gonna be on it, it's up to you. If you want to put a tissue paper inside, is up to you, but you don't need none of that anymore. But this is enough filter already in here for your protection. For me, I would just use this once and that's it. I won't keep it, but you know what some people would do, but this is it. So yes guys, let me know what you think about this. If it's something that you're gonna wear, definitely let me know down in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.